Hey, stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. My name is Karl Domm, and I'm the first and only of a handful of instructors on YouTube who shares the real deal. I'm the only one on YouTube that has shared my P&L with my daily balances since 2019. No one else has done it longer, and I'll be taking you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual P&L or net liquidation. For over 29 years, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my expertise with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. My goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their account P&L. And so far, I believe I've influenced a few others to share their P&L. But not only that, but share the volatility of their account P&L. It's important to understand how much the account value fluctuates, which means how much did the account value move up or down. If your account made 20% return, but it was down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in risk-adjusted returns. And that's why I share my P&L and my daily moves of my accounts, so you can see the real results for yourself. Now, I wouldn't buy a course from someone who doesn't share their P&L, and I hope you feel the same way. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, I'm going to be taking you through my real P&L for the month of July 2023. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? Because I'm about to take you on a journey through my P&L for the month of July 2023. And I've got 4 separate trading systems running in 4 separate accounts, and I'm eager to share the results with you. But before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the market did in July of 2023. This will give us a better understanding of the challenges my systems faced over the last month. And as a premium selling options trader, I do categorize market moves into 4 types. Number 1, the rising bull. 2, sideways market. 3, grind down market. And number 4, the crash market. Okay, looking at the market for July 2023, this is the S&P 500. I'm using the SPX, which represents the S&P 500. Let's see what we did this month. We ended last month right here, and we came down for a little bit, but we just almost went straight up. And we went up about just over 3%, 3.11%. So this month, the S&P saw another increase of over 3% in the month, and the upward momentum has seemed to slow compared to last month's 6% rise, but still, we remain in a bull market. And a look back to mid-March, you can see back in here, mid-March from this year, the market shows a 20% increase in just about 4.5 months. So this month, July 2023, the S&P being up over 3%, the market is what I would consider a bull market for the month of July. Now let's look at the VIX. We can see that we started right in here. We did have a spike up to almost 17. That's not even that high, really. And we just kind of leveled off, and we're hanging out here at this 13 handle, between 13 and 14. There's not a lot going on, not a lot of volatility. You can see the volatilities in the past right now. Yeah, if you just look back into the past even more, you can see there's even more volatility, but just nothing going on when it comes to the volatility in the VIX. Not a lot of volatility, which means the options prices are not high. They're lower than, I would say, the norm. So there you have it for the VIX, and also for July 2023, which was a bull market. The truth is, the market's direction is unpredictable. It can go up or it can go down. That's why it's always a good idea to have a non-directional system in your portfolio, so you can eventually be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and profitability is proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter what the market environment, and they are the only ones of their kind. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels 1 through 4 and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering lower level systems. But don't take my word for it. I've taken over 30 online stock and options courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offered level 5 trading systems. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1 through 4 system is consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. Join me on this journey and witness the power of level 5 trading for yourself. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown, and I'm not talking about spreadsheets. So are you ready to see my real P&L for July 2023? Let's dive in. So next, I'm going to get into my 4 separate trading systems. The trading systems are number 1, the Safe Wheel, number 2, the Earnings Edge, number 3, the Premier Level 5, and number 4, the Synthetic Dragon. So first, the Safe Wheel strategy. This is a strategy I actually give away for free every Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. Pacific time. I do a live stream and trade the account live. I also answer any and all questions about the system in order to help people learn it. The easiest way to find the live stream is to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So here are the results for the Safe Wheel for July 2023. Okay, looking at the July 2023 Safe Wheel account results, we can see that we kind of went up a little bit here and then kind of slowly went down, but I mean, it's not a lot. Like we're down to 63.18. We started the month with 64.31. So what, maybe down $100 or something like that at, you know, the low. And let's do a little bit of math. So not a lot of volatility in the account. We started with the beginning of this month 64.31, and we ended the month of July at 63.69. Lost about $62. So if you divide that by what we started with, 64.31, down about 1%. And that can fluctuate. You can see today we're up a little bit. Yeah, so down about 1% for the month of July 2023 for the Safe Wheel. Second, I trade my Earnings Edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. This system has some volatility, so I would start small with a $5,000 account. And what I like about this trade is the long gamma, which creates asymmetry. So asymmetry is kind of like hoping for a large move in the stock, either up or down in this scenario. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trades become. In July, with the Earnings Edge, I traded 4 stocks: TSM, Tesla, Microsoft, and AMD. So TSM was a minus 275, Tesla was a minus 250, Microsoft was a plus 1100, and AMD a minus 383. I started with a $5,000 account, and I look to make 1 trade per week when earnings trades are available. My goal is to make large profits with smaller risk. And since my upgrade in October 2022, the results are a record of 13 wins, 12 losses, and 3 break-evens. And this is a win rate of over 50%, with the average loss only $443 and the average win $908. And since inception of 2022, my returns are approximately 87%. I recently lowered the price of the alert service to only $149 per month, and I've also recently launched the Earnings Edge course, and the course provides the ability to trade the system on your own. So let's dive into the real P&L for July for 2023 for the Earnings Edge. Okay, looking at the Earnings Edge account for July 2023, you can see we started here with about 92.84. Actually started with 92.53 to be more accurate. And we ended with, looks like 93.53. You can see kind of drew down a little bit. You can tell when I get into a trade, it kind of draws down. That one was a loss. This one was a gain. And you can see we kind of got into one there that looks like it took a loss. So you can see like 3 losses and 1 gain, but the 1 gain was pretty heavy, pretty good. So Let's do a little bit of math. So let's start with what we ended with. We ended at 93.53, and we started the month at 92.53. So made about $100, and at 92.53, what percent was that? Up about 1%. So not a lot of movement in this account, pretty much broke even, but up 1% for the earnings edge for July 2023. Next, I want to make you aware of my top training program, the 5-step system. This is the ultimate way to learn how to trade a level 5 system. Understanding this tool will help you make consistent profits in any market environment in the future with other systems. And I've made a huge effort to make this program accessible and affordable for everyone. So I have significantly lowered the price to just $297. Don't miss this limited opportunity to take your trading skills to the next level. This is a game changer, and I don't know how long I'll keep this price so low. So check out the link in the description to start learning today. Now, third, I trade my Premier Level 5 system. After designing various systems for over 29 years, I finally developed this system in 2022 as a culmination of my efforts. So here's the Premier Level 5 results for July 2023. Okay, looking at the Premier Level 5, again, this is not accurate at all. For some reason, Thinkorswim doesn't have accurate recording on that, but I do have the numbers. We ended last month at 34,592, and we ended this month at 34,700. So I'll do a little math there. 34,700 is what we ended the month with, and we started with 34,592. So made, $108. Divide that by 34,592. And we're up not even 1%, a third of a percent. I mean, literally just broke even with the Premier Level 5 for July 2023. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market types. And looking back since I started trading it live on April 8th, 2022, the Premier Level 5 system is up 15.75%, and this includes paying all commissions. It has had an approximate drawdown of around 5%, while the S&P 500 is only up 11.97% with a maximum drawdown of 22%. So this is an outperformance of around 4% with only 1/4 the drawdowns. That is superior risk-adjusted returns. Remember, outperformance isn't just about achieving higher percent returns, it's about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. Now, there are 2 ways to unlock the secrets to the Premier Level 5 trade system. The Alert program, which involves my guidance to navigate through the trade. However, certain aspects of the trade plan will not be disclosed. Or number 2, the Premier Level 5 Mastermind program, where I teach every detail until you can trade it on your own. The system requires only a small time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes a week to manage a total portfolio, and the minimum recommended capital is $30,000, but it could be traded with as little as $15,000, and the trade requires span margin, so don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your trading game. See a link in the description for the alerts. Next, I'll get into the 4th account, the Synthetic Dragon. If you've been on my channel since 2019, you've watched me trade this system starting with $110,000 and turn it into $203,000. I then moved the money into my managed fund, but now I've brought the trade back to my channel as of April 1st, 2023. And I started the account with $200,000. So this trade is similar to the Premier Level 5, but it's a little more conservative. And I trade this system with a higher amount of capital. And this is where I have the majority of my personal net worth. And this system is for people with the ability to use portfolio margin, which usually means they have over $100,000 to invest. Now, here are the results for the Synthetic Dragon for July 2023. Okay, looking at the Synthetic Dragon, we can see that our balance, this is a day late, so it's a little higher than that. We actually ended July with 196,873. Let's see here. Yeah, 196,873. You can see the volatility kind of came up, down. I mean, what did we come up? Peak to trough here this month, 198,881 to maybe 266. So it's oscillating around, $400 or something. Started this account out with 196,527, and we ended at 196,873. Let's do a little math. 196,873 minus 196,527. So this is account up $346 in July. Let's see what percentage that is. Not significant. 196,527. Not even up 1%. So just flat, break even. So for the synthetic dragon, we also were flat for the month of July 2023. So all of the accounts look like they were flat pretty much for this month. Managing a portfolio for the synthetic dragon trade requires only a modest time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes a week. The trade demands span or portfolio margin and a minimum recommended capital of $100,000. I provide visibility into the results of this trade by sharing my P&L, and I'm presently conducting a mastermind session where I reveal all the aspects, allowing individuals to trade it on their own. I am considering starting another mastermind in the future, but there are no certain plans right now. For those with a smaller trading account, I offer two options. Number one, the Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free on my live stream, or the Earnings Edge Alerts, which is designed with some risk and high reward. If you're interested in learning how I trade options and aspire to eventually upgrade to the Premier Level 5 system, I recommend enrolling in my 5-step Options Trading Success program. Check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5 alerts, the Earnings Edge course and alerts, and the 5-step training program.